that, it fixed something else I was going to talk about. Which is, do you know what we call this? That's right. Because the first time you played when you're bending over, your pinky was way on the side. When you stood up straight, your pinky was just about on the tip. So it was looking really, really great. Okay? One more time. One finale. Oh, not in my eyes. Oh, get the light out. Oh, thank you. Oh, my eyes. Oh. Thank you, thank you. My sunglasses on again. All right. Take one last bow. Excellent job.